the first process for budget. Una-una, planning phase, no? Budget preparation. Yan. Number one, budget preparation. It takes 18 months, no? And ang concerned agency dito is the Department of Budget Management. Yeah. Ano pa? When we prepare or for the budget preparation, you have to submit proposals. Yun nga yung tanong natin kanina, no? Planning how government money will be raised, paano i-allocate or paano spend, no? Paano i-spend. Yan. Dito sa budget allocation, yan. It's ang leading agency natin dyan is the Department of Budget and Management. Kapag naman budget legislation, authorization phase na to. Yan. Number 2, budget legislation is the authorization phase, no? Ano bang ginagawa diyan? Deliberate, no? Deliberate, review and revise the budget, no? The House and Senate deliberate and review the budget. And kapag approved na, magiging GAA siya or the General Appropriation Act. Yan. Debating to, no? Debate, review. Yan. So, ang example natin dito on this phase sa budget legislation, yung Congress, no, pagdedebatihan nila kung i-increase yung budget ng DOH, no, based on national health needs. Ano ba? Ano bang kailangan ng bansa ngayon, no? Is it or should it be focusing on health of, 'di ba? Yan na ano. Area natin with budget legislation. Budget execution naman is the implementation. Agencies implement programs. No? Hire people, yan. Procure goods. Procurement. Hiring. Yan. Connected to, no? Yung budget execution connected sa budget legislation kasi yung nasabi natin kanina with the General Appropriation Act. Kailangan naka-follow yun, no? Kung paano gagastusin yung budget, no? That's budget execution. And lastly, budget accountability naman is the evaluation phase. Number 4, evaluation phase. Yan. This is the evaluation phase. Ang main role dito is the COA, no, or Commission on Audit. Yan. Ang mga agencies kailangan i-submit nila yung report nila kung paano nila nagamit yung fund na allocated sa kanila. And then the COA will be auditing all government spending. And the Department of Budget and Management, sila yung mag-evaluate, no?